Why do phosphorescent minerals emit light? Imagine walking through a dark cave and suddenly seeing tiny glowing stones scattered across the ground. That mysterious glow is caused by a fascinating natural process. Phosphorescent minerals emit light because they absorb energy from sunlight or ultraviolet rays and then slowly releases that energy over time as visible light. This process involves electrons inside the mineral's crystal structure, getting excited to higher energy levels and gradually returning to their normal state, emitting light along the way. Here's how it works step by step. When the mineral is exposed to light, photons, those are tiny particles of light, are absorbed by electrons in the mineral. This absorption boosts the electrons into an excited, higher energy state. But in phosphorescent minerals, things get more interesting because of tiny imperfections or impurities in the crystal lattice. These imperfections act like little traps that hold onto the excited electrons longer than usual. Normally, electrons would quickly fall back to their original state and emit light almost immediately, which is what happens in fluorescent minerals. But in phosphorescent minerals, the trapped electrons undergo a quantum process called intersystem crossing. This causes them to enter a triplet state, which makes it much harder for them to return to their normal state quickly. Because of this, the electrons releases their stored energy very slowly, sometimes over minutes or even hours after the light source is gone. The role of crystal defects and activator ions is also key. These are specific impurities, like rare earth elements or transition metals, embedded in the mineral's structure. They help absorb the initial energy and transfer it to the trapped electrons. This transfer creates the perfect conditions for the electrons to be stored and then released gradually, producing that characteristic afterglow. The energy levels created by these defects are what allow electrons to be trapped and then slowly released, emitting visible light. This delayed glow is what makes phosphorescent minerals so captivating. It's not just a pretty sight but a natural display of atomic-level imperfections and electron behavior. Interestingly, humans have found practical uses for this phenomenon. Glow-in-the-dark materials inspired by phosphorescent minerals are used in safety signs, watch dials, and outdoor paving that absorbs sunlight during the day and glows at night. In the world of Earth's mysteries, these minerals reveal hidden details about atomic structures and the subtle dance of electrons. Their natural glow is a reminder of the complex and beautiful processes happening deep within our planet's crust, making them a true geological wonder that continues to fascinate scientists and explorers alike.